welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the surprising and versatile world of salt. You know, that white granular stuff we sprinkle on practically everything. But did you know this humble kitchen staple is capable of so much more than just amping up flavor? We're talking cleaning, fire safety, even plumbing, folks. You won't believe how many ways you can use this common household item beyond just seasoning your food. Let's get started. Ever try to iron a label off a t-shirt only to end up with a sticky, melted mess on your iron sole plate? Don't toss the iron just yet. Believe it or not, ordinary table salt can come to your rescue. It's all about the science of abrasives, folks. Simply sprinkle a generous amount of salt onto a piece of parchment paper, set your iron to a low setting, and gently iron the salt, moving the iron back and forth. The heat will cause the salt to act like a gentle sandpaper, lifting away that stubborn gunk without damaging your iron. Dropped an egg on the floor, don't you just hate it when that happens? Before you grab the paper towels and end up with a bigger smear, reach for the salt shaker. Sprinkle a generous layer of salt directly onto the broken egg. Now, here's the science. Salt is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture. It'll draw the moisture out of the egg whites, making the whole mess solidify and become much easier to clean up. Now, I'm not suggesting you ditch your fire extinguisher, but in a pinch, plain old table salt can be surprisingly effective on small, contained fires, especially grease fires. Why does this work? Salt is essentially sodium chloride, and when heated, it releases sodium ions that react with the flames, disrupting the chemical reaction that keeps the fire going. Just be sure to use baking soda for electrical fires, folks. We'll get into why another time. Chapter 4. Banishing burnt-on bits. We've all been there, dinner's cooking, you turn your back for a minute and BAM! Burnt food cemented to the bottom of the pan. But don't despair, salt can rescue both your dinner and your pan. Simply sprinkle a good amount of salt onto the burnt area, add enough water to cover it, and bring this concoction to a boil. The salt acts as an abrasive, loosening the burnt food, while the boiling water helps to lift it away. Chapter 5, let's face it, kitchen sponges, those workhorses of the kitchen, can get pretty well funky. But before you toss them, give them a salt bath. Fill a bowl with hot water and dissolve a generous amount of salt in it. Soak your sponges in this salty solution overnight. The salt acts as a natural disinfectant, killing bacteria and neutralizing odors. You'll be amazed at how much fresher your sponges will smell and feel. Chapter 6. Stubborn stains in your bathtub getting you down. Well, before you reach for harsh chemicals, try this old school trick. Mix equal parts salt and turpentine. And please folks, make sure you have good ventilation when working with turpentine. Apply this paste to the stains, let it sit for about an hour, then scrub and rinse. The salt acts as an abrasive, while the turpentine helps to dissolve stubborn soap, scum and grime. Chapter 7. A clogged drain is never a welcome guest, but before you call the plumber, try this natural solution. Pour 1 cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by 1 cup of salt. Now, slowly pour 1 cup of hot vinegar down the drain and stand back. The baking soda and vinegar will create a fizzing action which helps to loosen the clog, while the salt acts as an abrasive, scrubbing the inside of the pipes. And there you have it, 7 surprising uses of salt that can make your life a little easier. Who knew something so simple could be so versatile? Salt truly is the unsung hero of our kitchens and homes. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.